Good day, everyone. So, earlier today, the board of editors of The Sun have chosen none other than Governor Charles Soludo as the 2024 Governor of the Year. Like, they chose him as the best so far in the year 2024 amongst the Southeastern governors. Could this really be true? Well, Soludo, also known as Mr. Jinx Breaker, Mr. Reformer, Mr. Fix It, aka Solution is Here, has once again proven himself as an exemplar in progressive governance. This isn't just a title, it's a recognition of hard work, dedication, and real transformative change. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why Soludo? What exactly makes him stand out in the political landscape? How does he even deserve such a prestigious title as Governor of the Year 2024? Well, let's take a moment and go into the projects and reforms that have earned him this honor. From the rejuvenation of Anambra's economy to improved infrastructure and educational reforms, Soludo has certainly been on the move. Take his massive road construction projects, for example, that have not only improved transportation but has also created new economic opportunities for thousands of people across Anambra State. But let's not also forget that we've been witnessing a similar energy also in Enugu as well, with Governor Peter Amba's strong commitment to infrastructure development. We are seeing some groundbreaking roadworks and modern terminal stations here and there dropping all around Enugu. If you haven't seen our detailed video on this ongoing project for each of these southeastern states, make sure you check out on Ebonyi People TV. You'll be amazed by the progress each of these governors have been doing. So, if you're talking about Soludo's impact, you're also talking about huge transformations happening all over the southeast, whether it's economic reforms, healthcare, or creating an environment that attracts investment. It's clear that Soludo is putting in the work. But here is a question for you though, our viewers. Do you think Soludo truly deserves this 2024 Governor of the Year title? Why or why not? What do you think sets him apart from others? Now, it's important to mention that while Soludo is receiving all of these praises, other governors in the southeast have also been making serious strides. Governors like Peter Amba of Enugu State and Alex Oti of Abia State have been gaining serious attention for their visionary leadership in the last year and ongoing projects. Governor Peter Amba's efforts in Enugu State, especially with his focus on medical infrastructure and the $303 million medical city, have left many excited about the future of the state. We've already discussed this project here on Ebonyi People TV, so if you missed it, don't forget to check out our videos. And then there is Governor Alex Oti of Abia State, who has been getting massive kudos for his focus on industrialization, creating jobs, and promoting economic self-sufficiency. This has sparked debates all over Nigeria. Who among these leaders is truly the best governor of 2024? So I've got to ask, with all of these incredible leaders making waves, who do you think is the most worthy of the title of Best Governor of 2024, regardless of what the Sun has just announced? Is it Soludo? Is it Mba, Oti, Francis Ogbonna, or Hope Uzodinma? Now, as we continue to celebrate progressive leadership, let's not forget the importance of empowering the next generation. Here at Ebonyi People TV, in collaboration with Digital Creators Hub, the #1 digital company in Ebonyi State, we're excited to announce that we are empowering 10 young individuals in learning digital and media skills. So, if you know someone who is interested, kindly reach us on the number now showing on your screen. Also, tell someone to tell someone and spread the word. It's all about creating a brighter future, and we believe that by giving these young minds the skills they need, we are not just shaping the digital future of Ebonyi, but Nigeria as a whole. Big thanks to Digital Creators Hub for partnering with us in this fantastic initiative. So what do you think about all of these developments so far? Who do you think is the true champion among these governors? And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment below. We always love hearing your opinions. As always, thanks for watching Ebonyi People TV, where we bring you the latest, most exciting and engaging stories from Ebonyi State and beyond. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Mr. Governor, we sent a letter to you earlier informing you that the Sun has chosen you as Governor of the Year for 2024. And that process was vigorous, and when it was going on, you did not know until we made the decision. And I will just read some of the reasons that informed that decision. And Today we have been here since morning and we have gone around, and that also gave us the conviction that what we did was the right decision. So I will just read some of the reasons, and then there are many other things we have done. Mr. Governor, your selection for this award was based on merit. It is the outcome of a rigorous process that lasted several weeks of debate and scrutiny by our board of editors.